Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This video is about accessory service in the settings menu. In your repair shop, when clients bring in devices for repair, they might also bring along accessories like chargers or bags. While some devices and accessories are already on the list by default, like cell phone and its accessories, you may need to add others manually. Let me quickly show the two ways to add accessories on Finti. For instance, let's add accessories for laptop. The first way is here in the accessory service. Let's go ahead and add an accessory for a laptop. You need to click on new and add an accessory, for example, bag, save. Let's add a few more, for example, battery, save, charger, save, and that's it. You can add as many accessories as you need. This is it in the settings menu. And the second and simpler way to add accessories on Finti is by going to repair shop menu. Let's go to repair shop, reception, and new, and add accessories here. For example, as I added accessories for laptop, let's go ahead and choose that, laptop, and click on here to add new accessories. For example, hard disk, and save. As you see, by adding it here, it automatically appears on the reception receipt. Now let's check if it got added to the settings menu as well. Settings, accessory. It was for laptop, so let's go ahead and click on here. As you see, hard disk. There is another thing I need to mention here. Let's go to repair shop management again. Repair shop management, reception, and new. As you see, the device is cell phone and the accessories are these. Let's change the device to, for example, laptop, and see how the accessory list adjusts accordingly. As you see, this is the list of accessories for laptop, which is different from the list of accessories for cell phone. This means the accessories you see are specific to the selected device. And that's it. Let's go back to accessories. This service is designed to ensure clarity between you and your clients. All the accessories they bring will be listed in their reception receipt, preventing any misunderstandings about the items they provided. And that's it for the accessory service. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.